So our digital marketing programme at UCB is very hands-on. We like to think that we can give students that practical experience whilst getting an introduction to and learning all about the different aspects of digital marketing. So we do have a range of industry contacts across different sectors, and we do work closely with them to make the assignments more realistic for students.
Why I chose this course was because of the small community, amazing staff and the knowledge of the skills that I needed to go into a career in digital marketing. I really wanted to develop my skills in ICT and moving on from digital marketing and learning a bit more about search engine optimization.
Students have the opportunity to go out on a one-year placement, which adds a year to their degree but gives them a real hands-on experience, learning in the real world, and can very often give them networking opportunities for the future for when they graduate as well. We have outstanding facilities for students to learn. This is our digital creative studio. Students can learn how to create and develop their own content. We have state-of-the-art camera facilities and equipment, and we have up-to-date Adobe software that enables them to design their own graphics and really to master all of those digital skills so that they can get into industry and hit the ground running.
So I've learned about the Photoshop, I've learned about the different creative communication skills. I've been also able to have some people coming in on talks and stuff, and that's helped us develop our skills and learn from people from the industry. It's been really, really good, and the course itself has just allowed me to grow and grow and grow.